are going to publish your video. Before you publish, take the following. Now, do kids appear in this video? Make sure you follow our policies to protect minors from harm. Make sure you don't have anything related to minor harm or exploitation in your video. Looking for over guidance. If you have followed all of the community guidelines and ensure that YouTube has your video safe, or you have your video safe to be viewed by the viewers. Make sure that everything is good, and then you can simply click on publish. Once you do that, here your video has been published. You can share it directly from here, or you can do that later on. Close. Now if you go to the content, here you will see your video has been published. The visibility is here, the restriction is here, none. You can see the published date, views, comments, 0. You can see. Similarly, you can go to the analytics. Right now we don't have anything, and how your video is doing you will see here. Now let's go to the channel. Once you click on your channel, it will take you to your YouTube channel. Here, as you know, how this is the image that I choose to be my banner for my channel. This is the image that I choose to be the profile. You can edit the profile picture from here, or you can change that. You can click on custom channel for that, or you can manage your videos. Now this is what my home look like, home page for the YouTube. Now here, if you go to the videos, you will get to see my YouTube video. Click on this if you want to play. Similarly, you can create the playlist, different types of playlists. Here you can see this is a private video of my liked videos. You can make public videos as well from your content. Now channels, you can make sure that you feature other channels, so people can subscribe to them as well, or people can know about the other channels that you're interested in. Now about here, you will get to see the info about your YouTube channel, or the viewers can see about your channel. You can see the description. Here you can keep the channel description. My channel is about, my contents are related to. For example, if you are a blogger, you can keep the description that I'm a vlogger, I do this, I do that, what your channel is related to. Here you can see when did I join the YouTube channel, how many views do I have on my channel. And for business inquiries, you can see my email address. Click on this, you will get to see the email address, and then you can contact if you want to have business inquiries with the channel. So this is all you need to know about the YouTube basics, YouTube tutorial.